Hey friends, my name is Sabji and you are watching my YouTube channel with Tasty Bites. So today I want to see how to make easy and simple Aloo Baingan Sabji. Now take a utensil. Now add some oil in it. Now let the oil get heated. Once the oil is heated, now add the green chilies in it, onions, saute the onions nicely. Add the tomatoes in it, salt as required. Now saute it nicely. Add the turmeric, chili powder, cumin powder. Now saute it nicely. Add some water in it. Add the brinjal in it. Now mix the brinjal nicely. Now add some water in it and let the brinjal get cooked. Once the brinjal is cooked, add the potatoes in it. Now mix them nicely. Cover the utensil with a lid and let the vegetable get cooked for 10 minutes. Once the vegetable is cooked,